3 easy ways to prepare your house for market. Hi, I'm Chris Madden with Christian Saunders Real Estate, host of Living in Luzerne County, and here are 3 quick tips to help you prepare your house for sale. Declutter and deep clean. Most of us have lived in our house for a long period of time and we've accumulated a lot of stuff. On average, most Americans have over 300 piece items in their house. So one of the things you want to start first, even if you're a few months away, is you want to start to declutter. You want to get rid of stuff that may not be coming with you. If you're downsizing, you're moving down south and you know you're not taking this, none of your family wants it, now is the time to start getting rid of that stuff. Stuff that you're going to be throwing out anyway, now is the time to throw out. The more stuff you get rid of, the better your house is going to look, show, and the better results you'll have. Number 2, repairs. Repairs are extremely important when you're getting ready to sell your house, but not in the way you may think. The 2 most important things, and really the only things you want to focus on, are mechanical and structural items. Any kind of structural repairs you might have, maybe some water leaking in the basement, maybe a couple pieces of foundation or brick are loose and they need to be taken care of, or anything mechanical that may be broken you want to address. Now, you don't want to get crazy with this and fix 970,000 things because you're not going to get your return on investment. But those are the 2 things you want to start off right the bat. And when cleaning, also after you declutter, you want to clean. And if you're not very good at cleaning, believe it or not, there's tons of people out there that will come and clean your house for you. And I mean all the things that you normally don't clean, like the baseboards, the windowsills. All these things might be the difference between getting an amazing offer and an okay offer. Last but not least is curb appeal. Most people, 99% of people, are going to first see your house online. But before they get in for a showing, they might drive around the neighborhood and drive in front of your house. So standing in the road looking at your house, you want to make that really pop. First impressions are obviously extremely important, and that's going to be the first live impression of your house. So if you want to do a little bit of landscaping, clean it up, maybe the front door needs to be painted, just to give that home that inviting feel from the curb. Those are 3 quick things that you can do to start to prepare for your house to be sold.